In this video, I want to share with you a small affiliate marketing trick. This trick will allow you to promote your affiliate links on any website. So, if you don't have a website, you don't need one. You don't need a landing page. You just need to follow up with me and learn this awesome trick. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm so excited to publish this new video. What we will learn? Let's see. So here I am in my web browser, and let's see this. I will open this URL, press enter, and let's see the magic. Now, a website will open. A-Themes, it's a company that publishes WordPress themes and sells WordPress themes and so on. I am using this website to promote my affiliate link. How? If you look down here, you can see get a free ebook. Get now. So here is a link, a promo link for me on this website. How? How this happened? If you click on this, what will happen now? It will open my ClickBank affiliate offer. So I am promoting my affiliate link on this website. How this happened? Simply using a technique called overlay pages or overlay links. How to apply it? Let's see together. But before, please don't forget, if you want to watch more videos like this about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, online business, making money online, and much more, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel and turn on notifications. And please don't forget, if you like the videos, go and smash the like video to support me and to support my channel. So let's start together. I will close this now to see how we can implement this technique. So the first thing I will do is to get my affiliate link. In my case, in this example, I will be using impact.com, which is an affiliate network like ClickBank, CJ, JVZoo, whatever. So you can use any affiliate link you want, anything. And by the way, you can promote also your website, promote anything you want. So I will just click on get code here to get an affiliate link to test things together and show you how it works practically. So let's get this affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. I will copy it. I will open Notepad. I will say affiliate link, very simple. So in this example, I'm promoting an Envato product from ThemeForest. So it's a WordPress theme or a HTML template, website templates, and so on. So I got the link. I will now go to Google and search as an example for top 10 WordPress themes. I want to get a link to a website where I can promote my offer. So let's go down here. And this is the website I used, athemes.com. That's simple. You can use like code NWP, whatever website you want, just get it, open it, and we will have now this full blog post. So I will use this website to promote my links. How? I will copy this, just copy it. Now this is the target website or article. Very simple. What we are going to do now is to use an overlay link tool or overlay page tool. Now we have several options. One of the best is called Sniply or snip.ly. Let's go to the dashboard. Just sign up. You can start for free, by the way. Simply here you can create a new snip. I will copy this URL and paste it here and click on create a snip. That's simple. Now it will go to the link creator. It will show you the website, and you can see this pop up here where you can edit the URL. Here you will put the affiliate link. Copy, paste here and click on snip. Let's wait a little bit. Copy it, then go here, open this, and you'll see now this is me and this is my link here on this website. That's really awesome. Now if you go to Sniply here, let's go back to the pricing. If you go here to the pricing upgrade plan, you will see that The cheapest price is for $29 per month for 5,000 clicks. So it's maybe somehow costly for beginners to start with this service. So I want to show you now two other options. Option number one is using link.me. If you go to pricing, you will notice it costs $8.99 only for unlimited clicks. Unlimited, everything will be unlimited. So it's a lot cheaper. And by the way, if you are following me, you know that this service is for me. And to be honest with you, I didn't develop this service. If you go now to codecanyon.net and search for premium URL shortener, you will find this script here, which costs $33. I simply bought it from here, I hosted, and now I run my own business providing this service. You can do also the same. If you go now to my YouTube channel, please focus well. This information is very important. Please follow up with me. If you go to videos here, and if we go down, let's go down on my channel, you will find here this video, Start Online Business Today in Hours, SaaS Model. In this video, I explained exactly how to build a business like this one and start a SaaS business from your home in a couple of hours. So it's up to you. You can go with Sniply, you can go and buy this service from Code Canyon. I will keep all the links in the description below. It's up to you. You can buy and host it and have your own service, or you can simply buy from link.me this plan, golden plan, and get unlimited overlay pages, unlimited links, unlimited clicks, everything unlimited. It's up to you. And to help you more, in the description below, you will find a coupon with 50% discount for link.me. For a limited time, for only 7 days, I will keep this coupon to help you more to get this service and try it if you want. Anyway, it's up to you. I shared everything with you. You can buy it from Code Canyon, subscribe to link.me or Sniply, or you can search for any alternative that provides this overlay technique. So let's log into my account and show you how Link works. I will log in. Let's see. It's so simple, by the way. You will see now in just one click you can do it. You go here to overlay pages. This is my dashboard, and then create a new overlay. I will say it's a pop-up for a link or product. You can also create a poll or a contact form. It's really an awesome service. Anyway, so this is the live preview of the pop-up. I will say here, special offer, anything you want, and let's say get special discounts on themes or whatever. And here in the promo, let's say it's special offer, and here you need to enter the affiliate link. So I will get the affiliate link here, my affiliate, and paste it here, and here simply say click here or whatever to change the button text. That's simple. Now click on save overlay, and very nice, this is my special offer here. This is the overlay page. Now go back to my dashboard, and what you will do now is to copy this main website link and paste here, and simply select the special offer in the custom overlay, and here you can change the alias. As an example, WP themes, anything. Click on shorten. And now I will copy this, I will go here, paste it, let's see the magic now, open it, and now this website will open, and you can see here my link, special offer. If I click on this link, my affiliate link will open. So in this way, you can promote your affiliate links on any website. So you don't need to create a blog, you don't need to do anything. You can just start directly promoting your links on any website you want. Just a small important point here, whether you are using Sniply or link.me or using any overlay service, not all websites allow this technique. So as an example, if you go here to this website, this one is a WP, copy it, and you go here and you try to do this, click on shorten, it will tell you now that this URL cannot use this redirect method because it doesn't allow this. So just find a website that allows this method. We have a lot of websites. Shorten the link and start promoting. You may ask me how to get traffic. Simply go now to my channel and you will find this video, affiliate traffic. How to get free traffic to affiliate links. I explained in detail, like 5 or 6 methods. Just go watch this video and start promoting your affiliate links. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, anything you want, I will be more than happy to answer your questions in the comments section below. Please don't forget that you can build your service and build your business using Code Canyon, like me, like this business. Just go and watch the videos on my channel. Everything is explained. Whatever you want, I will be here to help you anytime. See you later.